Hey guys, today is Sunday, June 2nd, and it's almost 7 o'clock p.m. And I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you what my lawn looks like right now, even though we'd had a heat wave in the past several weeks. That's my neighbor right there. And it's actually drizzling right now, but just wanted to show you, even though there's a heat wave going on, I kind of managed to keep my lawn looking decent for the past few weeks, as you see, with a few exceptions here. But this is actually due to a sprinkler there. But I wanted to show you how I had to change my strategy a little bit due to the heat wave. I've actually been focusing on the front of the house and the sides. But I wanted to show you what this heat wave has done to my lawn just in a matter of 2 weeks here. As you notice right here, it starts, and this is the area I've been struggling with. You see there's a lot of dry patches here. So I've been trying to water it for the past put in extra water for the past few weeks and today. But if you notice, this area right here is not so bad, but on that side it's pretty much burnt. So I actually be focusing all my budget to the front and the sides of the house, and you know, because the water bill can get pretty crazy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you, you know, no matter what, all the water I've been putting down, it's hurting here, you know. All right guys, just wanted to make a quick video. Hey guys, check this out. We had a heat drought for about a month and a half or so, and this is the first time that it's raining like this. So if you remember, a short time ago, I pointed out how all of my grass in that area has been pretty much dried out, a lot of heat stress. So this rain will definitely benefit my grass. Take a look at that right there. So this is freaking awesome. All right, over and out.